How to use Chip investment platform properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. Most people assume Chip is just a savings app, but the surprising truth is beginners often make mistakes that limit their investment growth. Here's how to use it properly. Chip automates saving and investing by analyzing spending habits and moving small amounts to your investment account. The first mistake is ignoring goal setup. Without defining goals like retirement, emergency funds, or short-term targets, the automation lacks direction. The second mistake is not connecting all accounts. Chip works best when it has full visibility of your finances, ensuring accurate savings recommendations. Another common error is underutilizing investment options. Chip allows you to choose risk levels and investment portfolios. Skipping this step limits potential returns. Beginners also overlook monitoring progress. Regular reviews ensure contributions and allocations align with changing goals or market conditions. Finally, ignoring compound growth potential is a mistake. Consistent, small contributions grow significantly over time when reinvested properly. Used correctly, Chip is more than a savings app. It's a tool for automated, goal-oriented investing. Set clear goals, connect accounts, choose investment options, review progress, and harness compounding. Avoiding these beginner mistakes maximizes your financial growth.